How to create an interactive component form in Figma. Press T. Write the placeholder text. Click out. Hold Shift and A to create an auto layout. Adjust the size of the frame. Adjust the left padding to be 50 and center the element to the left middle. A fill color of white. Increase the width of the frame. Create the button text. Press T. Click out. Hold Shift with A to create an auto layout. Let the height be the same height with the first frame. Center the element to middle. Left padding be 50. Right click and go to your plugins to add a done icon. Select the frame button. Increase the space between items to be 25. Increase the right padding to be 30. Hide done icon while holding Shift and A. Create an auto layout. Reduce the space between the items to 0 completely. Duplicate the frame holding Alt and drag the frame down 3 times. Rename each frame. Frame will be form default. Second frame will be form over. Frame will be form click. Last one will be form animation. Holding Shift and dragging over the both form. Change the stroke around it to blue. Then change the color of this frame to black. Change the text to white. For the last form, remove the auto layout by pressing this minus here. Select the second frame, which is the button frame. Drag it over till you reach the end of the first frame. Then uncheck the eye icon. Select the background. Change the fill to black. Selecting all the form by holding Shift. Now click on this and click on the create component set. Switch to your prototype. Click on the first form and drag this node place and change from on click to while hovering at smart animate. Click on the second form, click on this node, drag it to this place, then that's unclicked. You can leave it at instant. Then the last form, which is this, click it, then you change it to after delay. Then you change this animation to smart animate. Change this time to 500 and change this time here to 450. To see what we've created, we are going to create a frame. Go to your assets panel, drag it on this, click on this frame and go to this play button here. So now watch what we just created, our interactive component form. So when we hover, you can see the stroke around it, the border around it. Then when we click, you can see the interaction. Thanks for staying with me. I hope this tutorial is helpful in a way. If you like it, smash the like button and share to your friend. My name is Bayodeog and peace out. See you soon.